If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all drawings on TradingView. As you can see here, I still don't have any drawings, but to give you an idea, I'm going to draw anything here in TradingView. You can draw whatever you want to draw on your TradingView. It's up to you. As you notice on the left side, we have a bunch of pictures in TradingView. But in order to delete all drawings on TradingView, you'll just need to select the trash bin icon on the left side, the very last icon, and it will automatically delete all your drawings. And that's it. That's how you delete all drawings on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.